What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Ram 1500 Limited in Granite Crystal Metallic Paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back, and this has active level 4-corner air suspension, and it's on its highest setting right now, which is off-road 2, and you can see how high it is. Come to the front here, you'll have projector style halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you, high beams right there, LED running lights, which are also the turn signals, that chrome pig nose grille looking sharp, the RAM lettering. There's front ParkSense parking sensors on the front bumper, and front and rear bumpers are chrome, and there's 2 fog lamps there as well. Come to the side here. This truck has chrome running boards on both sides, which makes it that much easier for you to get inside this truck and for your passengers. Chrome door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. This also has chrome mirrors with built-in LED turn signal lights. And on the bottom of the mirrors, there's LED convenience lights, which light up when you unlock this truck, and it kind of lights up the ground here for you so you can see what you're doing at nighttime. This does have the proximity key fob. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle like this. If you have the key fob in your pocket, the Ram will sense the fob is near and they'll unlock the doors for you. Always press that button right there to lock up this Ram Limited when you're done with it. There's storage down below with 2 big cup holders, storage in the middle. Nice place for an armrest right here. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. And this does have power folding in mirrors. Hit this button here. You can fold the mirrors in case you need to park in a tight parking spot. Press this button again. The mirrors fold out back to where they were. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. And this does have driver's seat presets. You can save up to 2 presets, and by the push of one of these buttons, the seat will adjust to your preset settings. This does have leather seating throughout, unique stitching on the seats, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Ram truck. And there's a power sunroof up top. Nice leather padding in the middle here for arms to rest on, nice stitching. Open this up, there's an upper storage area here with a change holder, and there's a USB port and an auxiliary port connected to your media, along with another USB port right there, which is fantastic for charging devices. If you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower. There's some goodies in here for you. There's a nice ledge there for some pens. Lots of space in there for many different things. 2 big cup holders in the middle with bubbles to hold your cups into place. This is very unique. Looks great. Slide it back. There's a cell phone holder right here. There is a 12-volt DC power outlet right there, and lots of space in here for many different things. There's another little storage spot. Auto dimming rear view mirror, and this has LED interior lighting throughout. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel with unique materials on the top here. This is a tilt steering wheel too. This does have power adjustable pedals. You can move the pedals closer or further away from your feet. And this has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there, that button will turn on the fog lights. Directional air vent, which you can close and open. The mats inside this Ram Limited are unique because they say limited on them. And there's also a little storage compartment right here on the side. Let's move on to the backseat area. All right, there's storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, absolutely beautiful styling, unique stitching. Handle right here so your passengers can easily get into the back seat of this Ram. There is a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. There's a 12-volt DC power outlet down here, heated seats in the back, directional air vents which you can close and open. There's a nice Ram badge there. 2 big cup holders down below, fold down armrest here in the middle with 2 more cup holders, adjustable headrests in the back seats too, hooks up above so you can hang out nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. Push that light with your hand, it'll come on. Push it again, it will shut off. Extra speakers up top connected to the Alpine sound system. Underneath the mats, there are insulated, removable in-floor storage areas. You put ice in here and keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it's dirty, you remove it and clean it. The seat folds up like so. There's LED lights built on the bottom of the seats. They light up the feet area for you at nighttime so you can see where your feet are. Storage under there. There's a clip here so you can clip this up and secure it. And there's a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage. Easily fold it back if you're not using it. And you can fold the back seat back down. The back seat area is very spacious and there's tons of headroom. The box lights are just up there. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. LED tail lamps on the back. Beautiful chrome RAM lettering. Limited badge, 4x4 badge. Those dots at the back are rear ParkSense parking sensors. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram Limited. Backup camera is built into tailgate handle right there. This does have spray and bed liner, and there's hooks in all four corners so you tie down your loads so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highway. And there's also LED box lights down here, so you have the lights up there and these LED box lights, so you'll be surely able to see everything that you're doing when it is dark. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, including the tailgate, and there's mud flaps behind all four tires. Let's move on to the other side here. Storage down below, storage in the middle, nice place for an arm, great style. Convenience handle on this side as well. Here is a cool little leather care guide right here. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Insulated, removable in-floor storage area. The side flips up as well, LED light there. You have the fold-out gate so you can put things underneath or on top for storage. There's a cutout here in the middle for the cup holders, which I think is a clever touch. And underneath here is a subwoofer for the Alpine sound system. If you don't want people to see your subwoofer, you can clip this up and secure it. Easily fold this back down. You can unlock all the doors if you have the key fob on you by putting your hand around the passenger door handle just like this. Always press that button right there to lock off the Ram Limited when you're done with it. Storage down below, 2 cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, directional air vents, which you can close and open. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. Lower glove box here with a manual and some other goodies in there for you. Limited badge. Upper glove box here with a convenience light. Pocket on this side of the middle console as well. And the passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support too. And underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. And there's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. These aftermarket rims are very stunning. I like them a lot. This is the proximity key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. You can raise and lower this truck by using this button right here with the active level 4-corner air suspension. It's a nice Ram badge on the back, and this does have remote start. Just press this button twice, the doors will lock, and then the truck will start right up. Boom, just like that. Then you can put your hand around either the driver or passenger side door handle to unlock the truck. If you have the key fob on you to get inside, to get past the remote start system, or you can just press this unlock button here and then hop inside. You put this key fob down below here. Put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the side here and press the push button start button. That will get you past the remote start system. And the gauges are very unique to the Limited. They look very nice, and the driver information center screen in the middle looks very good. This truck only has 14,477 kilometers on it. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center. So the first thing you'll see is that there's a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info area here. It tells you your engine hours, tire pressures for all 4 tires, your air suspension area, transmission temperature, oil life, full-on gauge summary, and back to your engine hours. You have your fuel economy, lets you know your fuel range on your tank of fuel, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button here, and you can easily reset that. Trip A calculator and a Trip B calculator, both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. Hold this button here and you can easily reset that. You can reset one or both of those. Trailer tow area here lets you know what the gain is set at. Audio center lets you know it's playing on your media. Message center in case this truck wants to tell you something. Screen set up here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. Compass, outside thermometer, fuel range, time, customize what's in those corners, and the screen set up right here. And back to the digital speedometer. And if you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know in the bottom left corner which door on the truck is opened. Nice big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons right there. And behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Voice recognition. Cancel.
Canceled.
Using voice recognition, you can set the temperature on the climate control with just your voice, which I think is really cool. And if a call comes through Bluetooth, you can answer the call by pressing that button right there. Beautiful stitching on the dashboard right here. Logo for the Alpine sound system, letting everybody know that you have that fantastic system. There's a nice Ram badge right here. Unique styling touches up here. And on the front, there's a 115 volt AC power outlet. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. So you have two, one there and one here. Rotary style gear shifter, very out of the way and easy to use. Throw this truck into reverse. The backup camera shows up on the touchscreen system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be reversing. On the screen here, it shows up your front and rear ParkSense parking sensors. So if you get close to an object front or behind you, you'll see how close you're getting on the screen here. And you'll hear audible beeps. And the closer you get to an object, the louder those audible beeps will be. And when you do put this truck into reverse, the mirrors do tilt down. So I'll put it back in drive and you can see them tilt back up. Boom. Very nice. This does have dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows this Ram to adjust your climate control for you. Driver's temperature, passenger temperature, air conditioning, recirculate button, front defrost, rear window defroster. Those are the physical controls. Trailer brake controller right here. Active level 4 corner air suspension. You can raise and lower the truck by using these buttons right here. Traction control, tow/haul mode. You turn off the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors by using those buttons. Press them again, they'll come back on. Heated and ventilated seats up front, and this has a heated steering wheel, so you can turn them on right here. Tuning knob, browse button, volume knob, mute button. Turn the screen off if you don't look at it. Touch with your finger, it comes back on. Hazards, back button to help you guide through your system here. And there's a switch here for the rear sliding windows, so you can open that up. And there's buttons for the power sunroof. Just hit the button once, and the power sunroof will open up right before your eyes. And there's fold down sun visors here with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights. These are breakaway, and they do slide out. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. And this is the touchscreen Uconnect system. Turn the volume. Good sound quality through the Alpine sound system. Definitely rock out, have a good time while you're driving this truck. Turn it down like this, or you can press the mute button there. Access to a mini map connected to GPS navigation right here. Presets up above. You can set many different presets just by using your finger. Direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. Tells you the song and the artist in the middle of the screen. Adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound mode, and more. Media button here, so if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, or a Bluetooth device connected, go here and you can listen to music through those areas. Touchscreen controls for the driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats, the heated steering wheel. You have your mirror dimmer right here, and you can access the back camera without this truck being in reverse. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff that you have. Touchscreen climate control, easily adjust where you want the air to go, adjust your fan speed, you can unsync and sync the temperatures, set the temperature with just your finger, and more. GPS navigation area, view the map. You can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map, go menu, go where to, put in an address, search points of interest, and more. Bluetooth area here, you can pair more than one device. Everything you do on your phone to make a call, you do hands-free on a touchscreen Uconnect system right here. Under the rotary style gear shifter are the 4x4 options. So you have your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive lock, 4-wheel drive low, and this does have auto 4x4. If you're looking for an ultra luxury truck, look no further than this Ram 1500 Limited. It's the 2017 Ram 1500 Limited in Granite Crystal Metallic Paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box in the back, and it has active level 4-corner air suspension, aftermarket rims, chrome running boards, the proximity key fob, and so much more. Definitely come on down to Crosstown and see if this is going to be your truck. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.